So I'm going to go over to some friends, and the million-dollar question is, will they let me videotape them? We'll see. Oops, why am I looking in the little screen next to it? I hate doing that. I always do that, and then I look at myself. And I'm like, why am I looking over to the side?
No, never peek.
I know.
Always look straight at the
I
camera.
peek. It's okay to peek a little.
Turn it away.
So, there is going to be a link below to his YouTube site, down below. Take a look at it, and yeah, enjoy his music, as well as me talking. And a little bit of someone in the background. Can I say your name?
Yes, you can.
It's Michelle, yay! And she'll be in the background, as cute as can be. Now we're just looking at the fish. We're at the Krogmans and we're looking at the fish. They have a nice big fish tank. And look at that. One of the fish has just lit some patchouli. He's one of the, he's the one that's wearing the hippie beads.
Yes.
Hippie fish. Yeah, so we're just having a good talk at the Krogmans, and Kelly's back there making good music. That's beautiful, the colors on that lamp.
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Like a little
It's
rainbow.
my California sunset in the corner there.
I don't know if people can see it, but it is beautiful, people. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm enjoying myself so far. They haven't killed me or maimed me or bludgeoned me yet, meanies. So I've been having a good time, and I'm warm.
It's
Are you
warm in here, yeah. It's always warm in here. I think it's because we're on the 3rd floor, so.
Well, I'm warm at home, my place too, so it's not like, I'm not saying that this is warmer, but
I'm warm.
although that, when you guys got married, that was a warm day.
It was. It was 32
Yeah.
or something like that.
I just remember we had like, there was little rivers of sweat going down us.
There was.
That was the
That
heat
was-
of the passion. That was just,
Ah,
that was love.
and it was
That was
too hot.
104 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
It was very, very warm.
And I put Twinklies in the bed
Yes.
because I'm a rascal.
Yes, she was.
No, we're still finding those twinklies. It's
Oh
been
my God.
14 years. and they're still coming out. Finally found my special purpose.
Eeny weeny.
And that was. Oh my God.
We're all very strange
Yes, we are.
in a good way.
These are my people.
Once, one of the 2 times.
Taking
so I
more
don't have any problem
selfie
telling all you
stuff
folks who I voted for in past elections if you want to come ask me after the show.
So
You didn't
voted for
show up.
You voted for McCain.
I voted
There
for
she
McCain. I wasn't really a big
Aw,
Sarah
that's
Palin
my
person, but in the scheme of
bestie.
things, it only matters if John McCain
Are you gonna
was-
let? Aw, are you
Yeah,
gonna
at
let
the
me
time,
put
it
that
was.
online?
So I'm
Aw,
going to overlook
thank
what I thought was
you.
not the
Oh, I'm
greatest
so
choice for vice
happy.
president.
Now
and,
people will say, "Hey, she
I
actually
like
has
John
friends."
McCain. He's a more moderate-leaning Republican.
Oh man.
And what about like this week? I saw
Somebody
this
loves
quote from Donald Trump. He's talking about his new tax plan. You know, and he said it will be
Thank
the
you.
greatest tax reduction in the history of our
Yay.
country.
Hi there. I'm Kelly from Monkeys on the Bed. Somebody tried to roofie my coffee earlier, but I'm just telling you, it didn't work. It canceled itself out. So, knowing that, let's play some blues. Always got to start with drums. These aren't real drums. Sort of. They're close enough for the monkeys I go with. Let's add some bass guitar. There we go. That's sounding better already. Now some actual guitar.
Woohoo!
That's the blues on Friday night.